Emma. Well, figured out I had a few wires crossed in my, or just hooked up wrong in the trailer light connection, so I got that all sorted out this morning and came over to the wood lot that I've been working at, and we're gonna go over and see if we can do a cold start on the 44 2N Ford. This is the second tractor I ever owned. First one was my Ford 100 lawn tractor that my dad gave me. That's a 69. Now we're gonna have the sun right in our face. There she is. Yep, we wrapped up on this woodlot. We got a couple brush piles to burn. You're saying woodlot? It's just a field. Well, we were cutting all the field edges back for firewood and such. Alright, oh, you know what I did? I left the key in the truck. So I'm going to turn the gas on and actually check the gas. Oh, somebody's been hanging out on my battery eating maple seeds. Oh, yeah, plenty of gas. Alright, back to the truck.